Hey everyone, if we're meeting for the first time, my name is Paul Vacheski and welcome to the Real Estate Classroom YouTube channel, where my mission is simple: to help you pass the real estate exam the first time. So I've received several correspondence from you folks over the last couple of weeks saying that you have seen a specific type of real estate question on your exam. And basically they give you this legal description and then they give you a map like this and say, all right, this legal description is located where? Is it A, B, C, or D? And you have to know how to calculate this legal description to find out which is the correct answer. So that's what we're going to do. Remember, anytime that you see a word problem like this, you automatically know that we're dealing with a section of land which is 640 acres. All right? Now, what we have to make sure that we do in our example here, this is a three-part legal description. The north half of the southeast quarter of the northwest quarter of Section 5. So this is Section 5, all right, the full 640 acres. We have to calculate each one of these individually. It's a three-part legal description. So that's what we're going to do. And the other thing to remember here, remember we've been taught since kindergarten on to go from left to right. We read and we write from our left to our right. We do math from left to right. When we're dealing with these or calculating these legal descriptions, we have to do them from the back forward. Otherwise, you're going to get a totally different answer if you go forward to back. All right, we got to start from the back one and move forward. So let's do that. The northwest quarter, we got to find the northwest quarter of this section. So what we're going to do is quarter it out. Now think of this as a compass row. Northwest. This part here is the northwest quarter. Now we got to find the southeast quarter of our northwest quarter. So this is our northwest quarter. We got to find the southeast quarter of this northwest quarter. So we quarter it out. Again, using our compass row here, southeast quarter, right here. So we've got number 2. And then the third and final one is the north half of the southeast quarter of the northwest quarter. So here is our southeast quarter. We have to find the northern half, and so the correct location is right there. Meaning B is the correct answer to our sample problem. So thank you for those that have corresponded with me and given me these examples so I can let everybody know. I have another video that has more of these types of legal description problems. I'm going to put a link right here. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. Click the little circle to my left. Other than that, I'll see you all in the next video.